vacation somewhere in Abuja. This is cool. I'm on vacation.
Black fingers upon the beat.
Just when I got fed up in my lodge, just when I felt I couldn't take it anymore, my office people announced that we would be going on a workshop. I call it a vacation because it was an avenue for me to stay away from the lodge, to take my head off a lot of things, and also to have fun and eat as usual. You know I'm your favorite foodie. Come along with me, guys. Hey people, what's popping? Kilo Shele, a guinea name me. Let's go there. Sorry about how scattered my hair looks and how disarranged I look. I'm in a hurry. I finished late. Yeah, we're going for a workshop in my office. Yeah, a workshop, like a media workshop. Yeah, and we're going to be staying at the place for 3 days. God, this is 3 days away from the headache in my lodge. Like, because I'm going to lodge there. It's 3 days away from. Oh, I need to show you my bag. See my bag. See the bag, it's small, oh. Women are wahala. God, people will say 3 days, now you carry box. If you go for 1 week, you go carry. If I'm going for 1 week, I'll use a car and carry all my load. Yes, deal with it. Anyways, I'll be taking you guys along. I'm already running late. I can't see any drop. I think I'll just order for a ride since I can't see anything that looks like drop and I'm already running late. Anyways, guys, we'll see when we get to the place. So people, we are at Gwags. Yeah, Gwags, Gwagwalada, Abuja. Anyone who has come to Abuja before should know Gwagwalada. Anybody that has come by road should know Gwagwalada. Yeah, Gwagwalada is the first place you see once you get to Abuja. Immediately after Kogi State, Gwagwalada is the next place. And yes, we're in Gwagwalada. Gwagwalada is the place where University of Abuja is, and it's not in town. It's kind of far from town, at least 30 to 40 minutes journey from town. So I'm waiting for them to take us to our hotel room. Until then, I'll show you guys. Ta-da! We are in the hotel. I'm so excited. Clean room, clean everywhere. For now, I just want to relax. I'll be taken care of. See ya later. So this is the toilet. Clean toilet for 3 days. Oh my god. No using of potty and disinfectants. Not say this is perfect, but at least. Oh, it is clearing. 3 days away from my lunch. 3 days away from my lunch. I'm happy. Oh, Auntie, that's it. I just posted. Let me go watch it. Are you singing? Yes, I'm happy. I'm singing song of happiness. See this bed, a clean bed for 3 days.
We need to make friends because
The wardrobe. That's my wig there.
the current is too low.
Listen, but their service is so poor. How can Big Brother not be showing? Just tell me how we cope, not watching Eviction Nights. This is outside. Oops.
I need to shower.
I love you. Man, I cannot do without you. Oh, let me be the one you be watching. I love you. You are the people of my dreams. The persons for me. Hey. Oh, na. Yeah. Persons for me. So guys, went out to eat and we're back from eating. I'm editing. I've been editing since morning, although I've been very busy. So any small time I see, I'll edit, and I just did the voiceover for the video. Now I want to see if the voiceover is okay. I want to choose the right sounds for the video. Hopefully the video will go up tomorrow, Monday, hopefully. Good morning. It's day two, and the workshop is starting proper. I didn't even carry any book. Maybe I use my phone and type.
Hey. Oh, just record everything.
You're fine.
Oh, thank you, sir. It's day 2 and we're going for the workshop. Yeah. Even if a lot of things happen in this hotel, I'm going to gist you guys later. Like, it was so uncomfortable yesterday night, but it's way better than my lodge, so I'm glad. I'll see you when I get there and I'll show you my full outfit, but just have a sneak peek. There are too hot. Hottie pie, sweetheart. I beg you, I had to cover my tummy. Let me not disgrace my village people on YouTube. Mama Saru, Elelebe Joru. Legodi Wamadu, Legodi Kisia Chaman. Okay, guys, the first day of the workshop, the breakfast was not prepared on time, so baby girl had to step out to go find something to eat, and I saw akara and I just bought the akara and had some fun. Gwagwalada akara. Interesting. Remember I told you guys that guacs is not all that's developed. You can see, I'm not saying that every part of guacs is like this, so there are some parts that are fine and some parts that are worse, but like you guys know what I mean. It's in between touche and local. Breakfast for day 1 is ready. Boiled yam, boiled plantain with egg sauce and fish stew. Wadima, and they gave us some tea to dilute it. I chose coffee and milk, and I had some good fun. For lunch, there was the option of rice and salad with chicken, or vegetable and semovita with chicken, and I went for the latter. Yeah, I just wanted to take swallow. It had been long, and there were fruits to dilute it. Went out at night to have some fun. Yeah, it has been long I did something like that. Went out at night to have some fun, and I took some non-alcoholic wine with pepper soup that had some touch of utazi. Oh my god.
A few moments later.
So your baby girl has been semi-purging since yesterday. I'm supposed to be bathing now, but I'm pooing. When I'm eating everything in this summer.
Day 2.
Dear Bom, I be asked, you see the way you are in this picture, you just see how you look. Better look like this in real life. You can't be looking like this in picture and be looking like drawing board in real life. What is this? Anyways, this was breakfast for day 2. Boiled sweet potato and Irish potato with carrots and fish stew. See that glow. See that glow. See what the sun is doing to me. It's day 2 and it's time for lunch. Lunch. This life I can't kill myself, oh. I can't kill myself, oh. I can't kill myself, oh. Allow me to flex, oh. So guys, we had the social nights on the second day of the workshop because we had to leave the hotel the next morning. So this was the pepper soup that they served us at the social night. I didn't eat all this fat here, but guys, I enjoyed myself here. I seriously didn't want to leave this place, but I definitely can't eat like this every day. In as much as it's nice, some of the things I ate there were not healthy. And this is Star Radler. Star Radler is the only alcoholic drink I will see people taking and I won't flinch or something because it tastes like juice, and I take only one at once in a while. There was barbecue. Guys, I didn't want to leave Guags again. I know Guags is not town, but I had fun at Guags. Oh. So people, we are done. We have checked out of the hotel and we just one or two things. The workshop is still holding today, but not in Gwagwalada. So we'll just be going back to town. I'll be going back to my lodge today. I don't even know why I'm smiling because I'm not happy to go back to that lodge. So we went to a media house, a new media house in Abuja to round up the workshop, and this was the gallery at the media house that we went to. There were a whole lot of pictures here, past and present traditional rulers, past and present literary writers, authors, journalists, our contemporary musicians. I saw my favorite musicians. I took pictures there because the place was so lit, so fine. This is Asha, Timaya, Dubanj, Kobam Sasuko, Techno, Fowls, Simi, Adekunle Gold, a whole lot of them. And this is my baby boy, the ultimate love of my life, Flavor Nabanya. Oh my god. And these are the traditional rulers I was talking about. So I took a video of the studio where some recordings are done, so you guys can have a glimpse of how recording studios look like in Nigeria. I'm not saying all recording studios look like this, but majority of them look this way, or they have some semblance, you get. So this is the restaurant at the media house. I admire restaurants that look like this. They look like they're in the bush, but they're in town. Like, they're so dope and so unique. I admire restaurants like this, and there are so many of them in Abuja, and I'm going to locate some of them soon and vlog on them. So guys, we have come to the end of this vlog because this was the last place we went to at the workshop, and after this everybody went to their respective homes and offices. I enjoyed myself at this place, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you also so much for your love and support. Do not forget to leave your thoughts in the comment section as usual. Please give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed, and be consistent. Don't subscribe and go. Anytime you see my post, come and watch now and share. I love you all. Bye.
Hi, I'm Olivia. Subscribe to Dera's vlog.
Please subscribe to Dera's vlog. Please subscribe to Dera's vlog.
Dera's Vlog to the world! Subscribe to Dera's Vlog on YouTube. Subscribe to Dera's Vlog on YouTube and tell your friends to subscribe to Dera's Vlog on YouTube.